Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have a simple, easy and beautiful stitch to share with all of you. You know that I love this kind of projects. I don't want to complicate, I want to make it easy and beautiful, and I know that now the most beautiful seasons are coming. I know that Christmas is right in the corner, so let's make our gift and let's start making something beautiful for this season. Well, before we start, it's important that you subscribe. It meant a lot to me. But well, we will start making chains. And we are going to use a light material. I will use a hook of number 3. And in this case, for this stitch, it's important that we make multiples of 4, okay? I will make for this sample 36 chains. Well, according to the size and to the project that you have in mind, you are going to make as many chains as you need, but keeping in mind that you will need to have multiples of 4 for this stitch. Maybe you want to make a sweater or a blanket. Well, once you have the chains that you need, you are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chains. For the 5 chains, we will count from here 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, we are going to slip 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we are going to slip 1. Like this the whole row. At the end of the row, turn around, go up with 3 chains, and in the same space we are going to make double crochet. We are going to make 3, and counting the first chains that we made, we have 4. Okay, so 4 double crochet, then single crochet where we slip in the last row, and here we have the first shell. Again, 3 chains, and in the same space 3 double crochet. As you could see, we are making this double crochet of 3 crochet, and again in this space we are going to make a single crochet right here. Then 5 chains, and in the same space 3 double crochet, and like this the whole row. Look at the end of the row, look how beautiful. We are going to turn around, we will go up with 3 chains, and then we are going to make 3 chains more, and we are going to slip 1 right in the top of the last shell that we made. Right here we are making like linen shells, right? Again, 5 chains, then in the top of the linen shell right there we are going to insert the hook, and we are going to slip 1. I think I'm going to use a different hook. Then 5 chains, and again we are going to slip 1, and like this we are going to continue the whole row. At the end of the row we will have something like this. Turn around, let's go up with 3 chains, and we will repeat the shells. In the same space we are going to make 3 double crochet of 3 crochet. So here we have 2 and 3. Then we are going to lean and insert the hook in the last space like this. You see, right here is where I insert the hook, where I have all the joints of the last row. As you see, we are making the second part of the series, where we make the linen shells. Remember, in each space we are going to make 4 double crochet, and then we are going to lean and insert the hook right in the top of the last shell. We are going to slip 1. Well, like this is how we are going to continue repeating this series. Once we are going to make the 5 chains row, and once we are going to make the linen shells row, okay? And we are going to repeat this series until we get the length of the project that we want. In this case, I'm making a sample. Before I let you go to continue, it's important that you know that you should have the same number of shells the whole row. You have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, so you should have the same number in the coming rows. So please take that into account. So let's make a review. When you finish to make the linen shells, we will start always with 6 chains. And we will slip one right in the top of the last shell. Again, we are going to make 5 chains and we are going to slip one. When we finish to make this row, well, then we are going to continue with the linen shells, making 4 double crochet in each space. And like this, we are going to repeat more series. Look, I continue, I make more series, and I noticed that the rows that we made with 5 chains are in the wrong side and the shells are always in the right side. So that's an interesting detail that you should notice when you make this stitch. I hope that you use it. Imagine this in 2 different colors, making one row with one color and making the second row with another color. I think that with this stitch you can create many things, a lot of combinations, and you can use it in so many different projects. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this stitch with me. I love it because it could perfectly work for both seasons, summer and winter. And I think if you want to make something for a baby, you want to make sweater, a blanket, a vest, or you can want to make a pocket or something else, I think this stitch it's perfect. But well, thank you so much for watching till the end. See you soon. Bye bye.